You can earn TON in a very easy way. It's called staking. Staking in the TON coin ecosystem is a straightforward process that allows you to earn rewards by participating in network security. Here's how you get started. First, choose a wallet. Select a wallet that supports TON and staking. Popular options include the TON wallet, TONSurf, or other compatible wallets that enable staking features. 2. Acquire TON tokens. Purchase TON tokens from a reputable exchange. Make sure to transfer them to your staking wallet if you buy them on an exchange. 3. Select a validator. Once your tokens are in your wallet, you need to choose a validator. Validators are responsible for processing transactions and securing the network. Research different validators to find one with a good reputation, reliable uptime, and competitive staking rewards. 4th, delegate your tokens. In your wallet, look for the staking or delegation option. Choose the validator you've selected and enter the amount of TON you want to stake. Confirm the transaction. Your token will remain in your wallet, but they will be delegated to the validator for staking purposes. 5. Monitor your rewards. You'll begin earning rewards based on your validator's performance and your staked amount. You can track your rewards in your wallet. By staking TON, you not only earn rewards, but also contribute to overall security and efficiency of the network. Always do your research and choose validators wisely.